Talk about how can you fix this problem on your Sonic Boom app. So all you have to do, so you just click here on settings here. When you click here on settings, it's going to show for you a list like this here. So then you go down here, you keep going down, then you click here on apps. Then you come to apps this here, and here you're looking for Sonic Boom app, or just click here on search. Then here at Sonic Boom, it's going to show for you like this. So then it's going to take you to this list here. Click on for stop. Then you click here on OK. Then you go down, just click here on storage. Come to storage list here, just click here on clear cache. Then all you have to do, so you just go to your Play Store. So click here on Play Store here. Then you search here for Sonic Boom. It's going to show for you like this. You will find here update. Click on it, then it's going to work with you. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.